welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make these easy and cute headbands. So they are really very beautiful, you can see, and it is very easy to make. It is just a repetition of double crochets. Also, I will tell you how to make these flowers in the next video. So see, this is for a baby of 1 to 2 year size, and this is for 3 to 4 years. I have made them using 3.5 mm hook. This is a repetition row of double crochets. See, it is 6 double crochets. You can increase the width of this headband just by increasing the number of stitches that we take at the beginning. For making these rows of 6 double crochets, we have taken the 6 into 2, that is 12, plus 1 chain, that is 13. If you want to make 7 double crochets, then you will take 14 plus 1, 15. Okay, so whatever length, whatever width you want, you can just multiply that number of double crochets with 2 and just give 1 chain space. So that's how you will be making this. So let's get started. Let's begin making our headband. Start by making a chain of 13. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So this is my chain 13. Now wrap the yarn around the hook and skip 4 chains. 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 chains that have to be skipped, and this is 5th chain. Now you have to work a double crochet in this 5th chain. Okay, so this chain 3 plus 1 here counts as first double crochet, and this one is your second double crochet. Now next you have to make a chain 1, wrap the yarn around the hook, skip this next chain and make a double crochet in the next chain. These are your 3 double crochets. Continue the same, chain 1, skip 1 and double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 and double. So you have to continue this, and only one is remaining. Skip this one and make a double crochet in the last one. This is the first round, first row with 6 double crochets. Now we will go to the next row. To make, again make a chain 3 and turn your work. Wrap the yarn around the hook and you have to make a double crochet in this space that we have made. We can see 5 spaces here, and instead of skipping 1 chain, you will be directly working in these spaces. Okay, so chain 3, wrap the yarn and make a double crochet. Chain 1, no need to skip anything, just work in this space. Chain 1, work in the space, a double crochet. Chain 1, work in the space. Chain 1 and the last one. Okay, 2 rows. Now to go to the third row, make chain 3, turn and continue the same. Work in the spaces. Chain 1, work in the space, a double crochet, chain 1 and continue throughout. to measure the sizes of your headband, you can directly measure the head size of the child for whom you are making. Just wrap this measuring tape around their head and you can see what is the size. So if it is a 12-inch, then you have to make your headband at least 1 or 1.5 inch less, because after you make it they will be very stretchy and it may become loose. So try to make it little bit less, little bit smaller, 1 or 1.5 inch smaller. So this is for a child of 3 to 4 years and it is about 16 inches. Okay, 8 plus 8, that is 16 inches. I am going to make this for a child of 1 to 2 years, so I will be making it around 14 or 14.5 inches. Okay, so continue the same and keep measuring your work. So I have completed my 40 rows of double crochet and it measures 14.5 inches. So now what we have to do, we have to join these two to create our headband. So make a chain 1 and fold this headband like this, fold it. Now you have to join these two ends. So I will be joining from this side. What you have to do, take the first stitch of this side, which is nothing but the chain 3 here. Insert your hook into that chain 3 space and the first stitch of this side row, this one. Okay, insert into both, grab the yarn and pull it. Now make a slip stitch. Okay, you have to continue that for all the stitches. You will be having equal number of stitches on both the sides. So insert into both of them. This is from the one side, this is from second side, this is from the second side. Insert below the V stitch, insert below the V stitch, grab the yarn and pull it, make a slip stitch. Okay, continue. Next stitch, third stitch from here and continue making slip stitches till the end. I have completed making slip stitches in both the ends. So now we have to make a chain 1 and you have to cut this. Pull it and this is the back side of your headband. This will be the front side. Measure your work again. 7.5, which is nothing but 15 inches. So according to the chart, 15 inches is okay, 14.5 is also okay. This will stretch, so don't mind if your work is a little bit lesser than this. I have done this using 3.5 mm hook. If you are changing the hook size, make more number of rows for a lesser number hook. The next step that is remaining is you have to hide these ends inside. Take your needle and just hide them inside below these stitches. And to make it look more pretty, you can attach the flower that you learnt in the last video tutorial or if you have any other flowers or any other decorative materials, you can attach it. This is a rose and this is the flower we did last time. You can also make a flower like this and attach. So this is the headband that you learned today. I hope you learned it well. Thanks for subscribing and supporting me. Thanks for liking the videos. And I also request you to share it with your family and friends, those who are interested in learning. Thank you all for your support so much. Thank you so much for that. We'll see in the next video. If you want to learn this flower, I'll make a different video for that. Please keep watching. Thank you.